So hi, I'm Jeff Morris. Today I want to talk about, it's National Cloud Database Day, and I want to talk about the news that we just announced earlier this morning. So National Cloud Database Day is a holiday that we've created to support and celebrate cloud databases and their adoption. To raise awareness of their role in empowering modern applications. These are our hashtags. Please feel free to use them. So today we announced Couchbase Capella Spring release and its accompanying Couchbase Server 7.2 as the underpinning to the spring release. Now, the main database, Server 7.2, adds time series data support in JSON for IoT applications and financial stock data kinds of applications or web traffic logs, all of which are very time and what happened when kind of intensive. We also added user-defined functions to transform that time series data into a JSON array that you can ingest data into or unwind and access from JSON. We've also added change history or change data capture into the database itself, and you can stream this out through Kafka to trigger other events to other applications. And we added we recently were granted a patent for cross-base optimization for JSON queries, and we've rolled this cross-base optimizer technology into our analytics service. And so our analytics service is a multi-parallel processing data aggregation service that works on the active data that's in the application or stored in Couchbase. And then it can also add in data from your cloud storage like Parquet or CSV files from S3 or Azure blobs or GCP blobs. And then on the Capella side, we've added what the server calls ephemeral buckets, memory-only buckets for Capella for pure caching and transient kinds of use cases. We've added integrations to Netlify and Visual Studio Code extensions. We've added dynamic disk expansion so we can automate that. Cluster hibernation is another one to scale down to 0. So we're not burning our, even for our trial system, we're not burning our own resources. You can download a bucket. That's the database, the full database kind of design of Couchbase. And there's a number of of cloud service provider specific things like expanding regions, making larger instances available to customers as their selection of a cluster size. We're available on all 3 marketplaces. We're HIPAA compliant now on GCP. We support private endpoints across all 3 clouds now. Kind of wrapping that the announcement of today's release on National Cloud Database Day.